This is my car, Audi A4 2.0 Turbo FSI 2006. I have previously done cam chain replacement, tensioner replacement, and cam follower as well. So they're all new. I tried to change the timing belt, but I could not open crankshaft, and I left it as it is. But when I closed everything, engine is now more like a tractor. I could not find out what's the problem. I did double check, triple check timing, open valve cover, everything matches to crankshaft, so timing is perfect. I don't know why it's making these sounds. Let's have a look. So there are no misfires, no vibration, nothing. So I'm pretty sure it's not related to timing. I can't figure out what the problem is. So before I opened the car yesterday, it was very quiet. So I don't believe it's the timing, but I'm not sure what it is. So yeah.